All right, guys, we're attempting to drive. You ready, babe? Buckle up. We're attempting to drive with the snow out here still, y'all. We ain't scared, though. Right?
Right.
Right. Oh, the snow still. 2 days in, still got snow everywhere, y'all. Oh, what do you know? We caught the green light this time right here. All the other times we get red. That's a sign. Oh, they're scraping all the snow up here. Oh, they got the bulldozer scraping on out the way. Oh, this is ice right here. We almost fell on the ice, guys. We slipped and fell on this ice, but we recovered. So this time we're gonna walk around the ice because the ice is everywhere. I'm glad I don't have that guy's job. Hold on, boo-boo. Here comes some ice right here. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on, guys. Oh. Back out in the world, y'all. Back out in the world. Got my beard oil in. I'm glad I don't have that guy's job of scraping all that ice off. Look at this dude right here. He's gonna slip and slide and blow the whole gas station up, y'all. Watch him. Look at him spinning out. Here's my job, guys. Look at the mobile home still standing from the snow. We got another one mobile home. Snowed and all. We hurricane proof, snow proof. We in there. Get out the way, Simo. Let me set a magnificent, strong home still standing over there. Florida boy homes. Like we've been locked inside for a whole week and it's been like 2 days.
Kind of feels like COVID, huh?
Too familiar.
Always pick the pet because of the cat.
So you just put that in the, whatchamacallit. There are all kind of vacuums up in here. They got no eggs in Walmart, y'all. All the eggs are gone up in here. What's going on? There's about to be an egg shortage. You might as well get two, boo-boo. There's going to be an egg shortage. Walmart, y'all. It's a madhouse up in here. I tell you, it's a madhouse. The line goes. Everybody done stayed at home the last couple of days. Now they all decided to come to Walmart because they done ate themselves out of a house. We did too, though. We were slacking too. They had to come in here and re-up with the rest of the world. Don't come into Walmart on Highway 29. We bought everything. Well, you know it's time to go when people start talking about calling the police. They're calling the police back there. The Walmart cart thing came loose, y'all. The cart thing over there. It came loose, hit that lady's car. Why? She said, I'm calling the police.
She's like, I'm filing an accident report.
Yeah, how you calling the police and you smoking weed right here like this at Walmart? You know I smoke that weed here like that? You gonna call the police on
I'm smoking the weed?
I ain't talking to no damn police, mama. You ain't calling them on me. Come on, Chantel. Let's get out of here. Let's go. I don't want no part of it. Take me home. Don't hit us, guys, while you're driving over your ice. Stay alert, drivers. We're driving on ice right now. Get a bulldozer. Get a bulldozer. All y'all people out here still driving around with snow on your car? The bro? What are you thinking, bro? Wipe the snow off before you leave. You got damn snow flying off your car, hitting people behind you. Morons. Just morons. Clean the snow off before you pull off. Me and my boo-boo cooking gumbo tonight, and the first step is making the roux. I think that's how you pronounce it. R-O-U-X, roux. Once this here roux is dark chocolate brown, and it's got texture like cookie dough, we're going to set it to the side, and we're going to start cooking the sausage. Actually, we gotta cut up our vegetables first, and then we'll cook it in the pan. And we'll do the shrimp. Should we do the shrimp before the vegetables, or you don't want to cook the shrimp at all?
Yeah, we're gonna
just cook it a little bit. There's that roux. Got them veggies. Ow. Someone to tell you beautiful, someone to tell you mean, someone, boo-boo, toothache and all, I mean it on you. Got the shrimp. Shrimp get a little toasty. Ooh, that gumbo finna be on point. What you think, boo-boo? We're gonna put the sausage in there too. And we got the crab meat to go in there too. If it's a cola. Check this out. Got crab meat. Crab meat going in next. Crab meat going in next. Got that rice getting ready. We're finna lather it up. Look at that. Crab, shrimp. You see it. You see it. Oh. Here it goes. Here it goes. Alright, here we go.
That's good.
That's good? More? I might put some cheese on mine. Some gumbo. Florida boy special gumbo.